So I need to clean this up a little bit. See if I can get a better focus. Anyways, what I plan to do is just take out the ones that are kind of duplicates and extras. I've been trying to buy these channel locks brands and keep the channel locks in the toolbox. Obviously everything else I'm going to put somewhere else, but I don't want to bury it in a box. So my family uses my tools a lot as well, and I don't want to discourage them. My wife is complaining that she went and bought these pliers because she couldn't find the ones I have, which I have in my unlocked toolbox. However, I do want to put a bunch of pliers here, but I don't want to use this because it only holds 6, and I want to be able to put a bunch of those ones that you just saw. So, let's see what I come up with. So it worked okay, I guess. I used this was just scrap from making the bed that, if you watch the video, you'll see that this is tongue and groove. I cut the tops off. Anyways, I had a bunch of scrap. So for this one, it's not really holding it that well. I guess of course when it's smashed in between, then it holds it better. It doesn't really work for these guys. So I'll have to think of something else. Everything else fits. It's just all of those pliers that doesn't work for these ones, or any of the newer ones like it. So I have to think of something else for those. But everything else, this one, I don't know, kind of, sort of. But it does get, like, there's 6 of them in about the same space as I had 3. And then I have a lot more room to put more. So now I gotta figure out something to do with these ones. So I have more drawer organization to do, but it is easier to find specific ones. And these are the ones I don't want to hang up. I probably will. I mean, this one, I don't know. This is the first tool I bought when I was like 16. And I bought it for a class I was taking in high school. And it hasn't broken, and it's made in China. Bought it at Home Depot a long time ago. That would have been like 25 years ago or so. But I was going to replace it all with, I've been starting to replace everything with these channel locks. I bought these are the Quinn from Harbor Freight. And I'll probably replace these. These are great, by the way. But these 3 Harbor Freight, and I'll probably replace them with channel locks, and then I'll move these over to this spot over there. So all my nicer pliers will stay in my toolbox drawer where my family won't use them, and all these other ones, they'll use those, because I don't want to discourage them from using tools, but I don't necessarily want them to lose my nice ones. So thanks for watching, and catch me on the next one.